chopped romaine and whatever veggies you have on hand with our flavorful Green Goddess dressing. I make this salad all the time, and now so can you. How about a healthy everyday salad with Green Goddess dressing? This salad recipe is going to accomplish two things. First of all, we're gonna make it using whatever veggies we have on hand. Easy. Number two, we're gonna prep the veggies, toss them together, and then mix them up with a flavor-forward dressing. It's the everyday salad you need to start making right away. Here's how we do it. To begin, head to the fridge and grab whatever greens and veggies you have on hand. Today, I'm using tomatoes, cucumbers, a head of romaine lettuce, a sweet red shepherd pepper, celery, green onions, and also radishes. Now we're gonna prepare those veggies for the salad, but let's agree on one thing: no need to get fancy on the prep. The romaine gets cut down the middle, then cut into 1-inch pieces. Let's give it a rinse and spin it dry. Place the lettuce into a large bowl. Then we're gonna continue. The red pepper seeded, cut into chunky bits. 2 green onions, finely sliced. Celery, I cut the stems down the middle, then cut them into kind of large pieces. I especially like that all the veggies in this salad are left raw. It gives the salad recipe a ton of crunch. Next, we're taking spicy radishes, cutting them in half, then thinly slicing them. Finally, cucumbers halved and sliced, plus vine-ripened tomatoes quartered. You know the drill. Everything goes into a big salad bowl. Look how gorgeous today's toss-up is. Now the dressing. How about a Green Goddess? Where we add mayo, sour cream, blue cheese, plus garlic and 3 different fresh herbs. We're gonna zip it up and you have an extremely tasty dressing. You can click up here to watch the video on how to make the dressing. For now though, let's put that dressing to good use. Drizzle maybe half a cup of the dressing on the salad, toss. Then we're serving onto side plates. Feel free to add a little bit more of the dressing if you'd like. It's pretty hard not to. Another nice thing about this everyday salad, it'll go well with all of your favorite mains. I recently had family up for a weekend at the cottage. I made our quiche Lorraine. I served the salad on the side. It was so good. Ready to make it? Head to weekendatthecottage.com for the full recipe. Please subscribe to our website when you visit. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then remember, every time you make our everyday salad, it changes, but we want to see what you're doing. So take pictures of those salads, post them using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Try our healthy everyday salad with Green Goddess dressing. I could eat this salad every day. In fact, I often do. Enjoy. So good.